Ooh, look what do we have here? A fridge. I'll open. Alright, let's get in. Speak a little. Sorry guys, let's speak a little. Alright, I got it. Wait, I can't get out. I can't get out. I can't get out. No! I'm never trying that again. Ever! No, that's never doing it. After he forgot when he got stuck in a fridge. Ooh, a fridge. Let's see what it looks like to be in a fridge. Let's make a little room. Alright, let me just close the door. There we go. Wait, I can't get out. I can't get out. No! Never doing that again. Ever! Guess I'll have to go shopping. Didn't I do that? No, I didn't do that before. This is my first time doing it. Alright. After when he forgot everything again. Ooh, a fridge. Alright, let's make a little room. Alright, let me close the door. Oh, come on. Let me close the door. Alright, wait. I can't get out. I can't get out. No! Never, ever doing that again. Oh my god. You already know what. Ooh, a fridge. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, hey. Alright. That's me. Alright, let's get in the room and let me close the door. I can't get out. I can't get out. No! Actually, I'm not really in the fridge. I'm just pretending like if I was. Alright. And plus, I'm just doing this just because I want to. Alright, get back to the video now. Oh my god. Why does this keep happening to me? How come you just forget? You already know what's coming up next. Ooh, a fridge. Hey, it's me again. Wait. Hey, it's me. Wait, let me. Yes. Hey, you can see me. Alright, let's make a little room. Alright, let me close the door. And by the way, I'm closing this door, not this door. Hey, I can't get out. I can't get out. No! Finally got out of that situation. What comes up next? Ooh, a fridge. I forgot the part, but you already knew it was gonna come. Ooh, let me just make a little room. Wait. Let me just do something. Hey, it's me. Alright, get back to me. It's still me. You can still see me. You can still see me. You can still see me. Alright. Wait, I can't get out. I can't get out. Wait, no. I kind of forgot. Close the door. Wait, I can't get out. I can't get out. No! Why does that keep happening to me? Last clip before the video ends. Ooh, a fridge. Let's go. Wait. Don't I? No. I don't remember. Let's lock the doors. Wait. Okay. Wait, what the heck? I got it. What the heck? What the? Oh no!